got here today. This came in the mail. I saw it on Instagram, just perusing, I get kind of distracted, and this thing that came in is actually from Valhalla Designs. Never really heard of them until I saw them on Instagram and just looked super cool. So let's see. Check this out. Stamp in the box. Neon light. Valhalla Design wallet. Look at that. So that's pretty neat. Too bad I don't have a neon light in here, but let's see if this no. There's a loop. Oh yeah, that kind of gives it a little color. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't necessarily be neon, but these colors. This is a really, really cool design. Looks like it's gonna last forever. Awesome product, Valhalla. Here it comes. Oh, look at that, the blue light. That is cool. Let's see if we can mess around with the light here. I'm using the Lume Cube right now. Or it's not necessarily a cube, it's the panel. Oh yeah, look at that. Glows in the dark with just the blue light. Don't necessarily need a black light. That is cool. Awesome product, Valhalla. This is the Traveler. Valhalla Traveler.